What's going on? Welcome on into today's trade recap, making $169.75, rounding up to 170 bucks here on Meta today. And I want to recap this trade and talk about it. New background, new setup. We got some kinks that we are working out. I updated my computer. Camera's a mess, so I can't use my camera's webcam for now. I'll see if I can get it back up. Now we're using the Mac webcam, so hopefully it still looks good. Either way. That won't really change this video. So we finish up here 169. Now I talked about this in the last trade recap, that this was possible and we were potentially going to lose on the last trade if we hit the stop loss, which didn't look great, and it ended up hitting the stop loss. That was on silver, so we lost 116. That was on Friday. I was traveling, so I didn't actually get a chance to make a trade recap, and I said that that would be the case. So take that into a consideration. So we did lose 116. However, today we made 170. So winners larger, or today's winner was larger than the loser on Friday. Kind of surprising that silver just didn't, well, I won't say it's surprising. It just didn't work. Simple as that. Just didn't work. So today's trade, pretty straightforward. We had a breakout over this, looks like 343.45 level on Meta. I got in right here on the break. Let's see if I can adjust this chart to a 5-minute chart. Yep, we can. So you can see what I was seeing a little bit better. I got in on the break, and on this break right here, I got in on this point, which I got it at 343.50. So very close. I had a buy stop order set for that exact price. Got in, I scaled out 25, I got 100 shares. Scaled 25 shares out here as we made about a $1 move up. And then I scaled the last 75 shares at the ultimate take profit, which is about a 2-to-1 risk reward, roughly speaking, or just shy of that. So that this netted about I planned our multiple was 1.9. And because of the scale out earlier, I ended up realizing a 1.66 R multiple on this. And this is on a 5-minute chart, so I'm going to log that. And it was a bull flag setup, so I'm going to log that as well. And that's it. I mean, it wasn't anything super crazy. The other thing I do want to pull up too is if I go back, I'm in a trade here on the S&P futures. That's the trade that we are playing right now. We'll see if it works. We're extended. We're quite extended, so I wouldn't be surprised if it doesn't work. But I'm going to still play it because the setup is there. But if you jump to Meta, the idea behind it really also stemmed from big picture. What do we see here in Meta? Breaking out to a new high of the year. So momentum for sure on the daily time frames there as well. And then I paired this big picture looking good, setup with 5-minute providing a nice setup to break to the upside. Boom, play it, we make the moves and get the hell out. I've been playing slightly smaller size or risk reward on the day trades compared to swings. So I'll play a little bit larger on the bigger time frames, 5-minute time frames, generally looking to lose $100 and then make 150 plus on the winners. That seems to be working fine for my mental and psychology wise right now. And I'm only going to play them when I see a good opportunity. And that one did present. So that's the deal. There's a lot of stuff setting up in the background, but we're setting up behind the scenes that I'm doing. But that setup was too good to not trade. So wasn't expecting to trade a lot this next couple of days. But if we get setups like that, I will certainly take them. Here is the Surge Trader updated the count balance. So our realized gains are up 170 bucks. I don't know how accurate this is. Well, it is. I guess I have a lot of unrealized gains that I'm currently open on. So that is accurate. So if you go by the current account value, we are up 320 bucks today because I got a Bitcoin position, I got a Tesla position, I got an S&P position. So I got a couple positions on that I still have. I think I even have a Meta swing position open still. So I have 4 open positions, I believe, right now. With stop losses all in place, so it's not like it's not the end of the world. A lot of those stops are now in to take profits, so it's not going to be, we're not going to lose money on the trades, but they aren't guaranteed, is what I should say. However, if they were guaranteed, that'd be 41% of the way to my target as of right now. Again, no rush, but that's where we currently sit on the 50K account audition. That's today's trade recap. Thanks so much for watching. I'll leave links to not only Surge Trader, but I'll leave a link to TradeZello where I track all this great stuff and where you can do all this analysis and detailed journaling in the video description box down below. Thanks so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.